Hi, I'm the Minimizer from Miltech. As your specialist in trash handling and recycling, I'm going to show you how to minimize the time, the space, and the money you waste on trash. At Miltech, we have years of experience in assisting businesses with improved handling of their trash and recycling processes. We analyze all aspects of your business, from your costs, your health and safety, and your handling efficiency, to show you how you can generate revenue from recycled trash. The final report gives you the perfect overview of your organization's savings and the wider benefits you can expect for years to come. Miltech's range of balers and compactors handle all forms of trash, including cardboard, plastic, styrofoam, and mixed trash to ensure a customized solution that exactly matches your organization's requirements. Above all, you improve the environment by disposing of your trash in a better and more responsible manner. That's why we say blue is green, because the environment means the world to us. Contact Miltech to arrange your free site survey today. Miltech, minimize your waste.